welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about some of the new products that I've recently picked up. All of these are new for me and I'm going to try them on with you guys, all the ones that we can. So if you're interested, keep watching, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the Plume Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. Now this is a lot of people rave about this moisturizing primer. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. I already have the Plume beauty blender, the microfiber beauty blender, and I love this. So I really wanted to try this primer also. So I picked it up this time. So it's a cream like moisturizing primer, does both moisturizing and primer jobs as the name says, and it smells amazing. And I've used this on my face today and I think my makeup went on really smooth and it looks amazing. It's I'm going to try it on for a few more times before giving you my final verdict, but for now I think I really like this one. Next I've picked up the Drugstore Company's Solid Brush Cleanser. This is the lavender variant and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's like a solid brush cleanser for your makeup brushes. So you just wet your brush a little bit and then you use this. This is basically a soap for your brushes, and then you just rub the brush here like this. It's going to lather a bit and then you clean it off and wash it with water. This is also a new kind of product for me. I haven't ever tried a solid brush cleanser before. Of course I've tried all sorts of liquids, but a solid brush cleanser is the first in my collection. So I'm going to share with you my review on this one also really soon. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments down below and what you think about it. This is of course a handmade product and made in India and freshly poured. That's the note. That's what the note said that came with this product. So I'm really excited to try out this one. Next I have a mini perfume. Now, I really can't not pick up a perfume, and this one I picked up. This time I've picked up the Paco Rabanne Lady Million and I have the mini variant. Now this is what it looks like, and the best part is that it is a pump, it's not a roll-on. A lot of times when you pick up the mini sizes of perfumes, they come with roll-ons and then you can't apply them everywhere, but with a pump or a spray dispenser, it makes application really easy, and this smells amazing. I have been wanting to try this for long. I picked this up specifically to keep in my purse for the festive season, so I think it is going to work wonders. I'm really excited to try this out. In fact, I have used this a few times and it smells amazing. Next is one product which I have been wanting to try again for the longest time, because I have a lot of baby hair on my forehead and this side troubles me a lot. So I've picked up this Slick Up Hair Wand, anti-flyaway hair wand, and this is like a mascara, a clear mascara for your baby hair. Again, something which troubles me a lot. So I'm going to open up the packaging over here. I haven't used this yet. This one tube costed me around $4.99 or $4.59, something like that. I'm going to leave the links and the prices below. And this is what it is. It is a clear mascara basically for your baby hair. So I have these here and I'm going to use this. Oh, okay. It's basically like a gel for baby hair, but with an easy to use wand, which makes the application really easy. Again, I'm going to try this on and share my views with you guys really soon. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments down below. The last thing that I have, and this is going to excite a lot of you, are these makeup glitters. Now these are available in, I got this set of 12. So these are the 12 shades that we have here, and it came with its own little tub of glitter glue. I'm going to show you some of the shades here. So I'm showing you two of the shades here. This is what they look like. Let me just apply this golden one on my eyes. I'm just going to use my fingertip, taken some of the glitter glue here. This is what one of the shades, the golden one, looks like. Amazing. I'm going to now apply it over my eyelids. Let me just grab a mirror. So this is what the gold glitter looks like on my eyes. I'm just wearing this one shade, and I think I really love it. The glue has done its job and the eye glitter looks amazing. I think it will be amazing for brides and brides-to-be, and it is perfect for the festive season. So that was my cute little haul. I think I'm the most excited about the eye glitters, and of course the hair wand. I'm really excited to try it out because I haven't used anything like this before. Obviously I love my mini perfume also, and I'm also, yes, excited to try out the primer and the brush cleanser. So yeah, I think this has been quite an exciting haul with a lot of different kinds of products that one can pick up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. All of the links are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out. And if you've used any of these products, let me know in the comments box down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.